sunshine so merry. Woke up little mouse named Clever Jerry. He stretched his paws and smiled wide. Another fun day, he squeaked with pride. But tiptoe tap came Tum the cat, wearing sleepy eyes and a funny old hat. My breakfast cheese has run away, he yawned and planned his chase that day. Jerry zoomed past with a giggle and grin. Catch me if you can, you'll never win. Around the sofa, under the chair, zoom went Jerry fast as air. Tum ran after, boom, hit the wall. Down he slid and went kerplop on the floor. Jerry laughed but not too loud. Tum stood up feeling strong and proud. Into the kitchen, splash and slide. Milk went flying side to side. Tum wore spoons upon his head. Jerry danced on top of bread. Tick-tock went the noisy clock. Tum chased Jerry around the block. Up the stairs and down again. Slip, trip, fall, try again. Jerry hid inside a shoe. Tum looked left and right, then boo! Jerry jumped and ran away. Nice try, Tum. Maybe someday. The house went quiet, chase was done. Tum felt tired, Jerry too, no fun. They sat together by the door, thinking maybe fighting was a chore. Jerry shared his cheese with care. Tum shared milk because he's fair. They smiled big, their worries gone. The sun began to set, day nearly done. Best of friends though they may fight, laughing, playing day and night. Tum and Jerry, silly and true. Fun is better when shared by two.